How to repair a plastic gas tank on a Weedeater. A Weedeater is a modern invention that makes yard maintenance easier to do. Tasks from trimming around trees and other items to edging walkways have been rendered almost effortless with the advent of the Weedeater. A gas-powered Weedeater includes a plastic gas tank that can develop holes or cracks. You can repair a hole or crack in a plastic gas tank with minimal effort in the correct materials. Things you'll need: fiberglass fabric, scissors, fiberglass epoxy, hardening agent, small plastic container, small paintbrush, 200 grit sandpaper. Cut 3 strips of fiberglass fabric slightly bigger than the damaged area on the gas tank. Use standard scissors to cut the fabric. Set the Weedeater on a flat surface. Mix the epoxy with the hardening agent according to the directions on the container. Mix the solutions in a small plastic container. Brush on a coat of the mixture to the damaged area of the gas tank and overlap it. Use a small paintbrush to apply the mixture. Lay a piece of the fiberglass fabric over the damaged area on top the epoxy mixture and ensure that it lays completely flat and smooth. Brush on another layer of the epoxy mixture and apply another piece of fiberglass. Apply a coat of epoxy and place the third and final piece of fabric. Brush on a final coat of epoxy over the final piece of fabric and let the repair dry for 24 hours. Lightly sand any uneven areas using a 200 grit sandpaper.